Hello everyone and welcome to SSB Crack Exams. I am Hemant and I am here back with another interesting notification, the most awaited notification regarding the National Defence Academy's entrance examination NDA 2 2021 that we have been waiting since long. NDA 1 2021 examination was conducted long back and people were waiting for another chance, and also for most of the important 10+2 candidates who are awaiting to write this particular examination. There are too many young aspirants who want to become a part of Army, Navy and Air Force and to join the armed forces as permanent commissioned officers and serve our country with pride and honor. So this is a very simple and most awaited choice on how to apply. So in this particular session I will be explaining about what did actually the Union Public Service Commission mention regarding the notification, and then I will tell you about the age limit, that means the date of birth that you must have so that you can make yourself sure that you are eligible for this one, and also I will tell you about other important details and issues regarding this. And before beginning, as I always introduce to you, that SSB Exams is India's largest, most preferred online defense exams preparation portal. About a lot of number of aspirants have been aspiring to become Indian Armed Forces. So regarding that, we have launched the most important courses, especially if in case you are interested to join our National Defense Academy's NDA 2021 to 22 online course. Then in that case, you will be getting a holistic approach and complete detailed content regarding the video lectures, live classes, study plans, study notes, the rank analysis, and also the mock test. After each and every particular mock test, you will have the rank analysis that make your preparation much more stronger. You can also have the completed updated syllabus, and the best part of SSB Recap is that you can have an offline access to our application. That means whenever you're online, you can download our video lectures, and thereafter you can move forward and make sure that your content is going absolutely fine and good. You can choose one of our courses, especially because this is regarding the NDA notification. Those as candidates who are aspiring to get into the NDA, for those people you can please download and subscribe towards NDA exam online course 2021 to 22. In that NDA course, we have the complete courses content regarding the live sessions and the complete overviews, study plan and analysis, notification, exam dates regarding one's personality development issues, mathematics, English, static GK, polity, history, economics, and the contents regarding the geography, biology, chemistry, and daily current affairs, target NDA, and the updated content regarding that. The complete courses are already live, and most of the aspirants have joined the family of SSB Exams, and they are making sure that their content and exam preparation is going extremely beautiful and very fruitful in a holistic approach. You can use the code Warrior10 to get an extra 10% discount on all of our courses, especially if you are aspiring to get into our course. You can use this particular Warrior10 code, and our defense counselors will get behind you and they will interact with you on how to utilize the complete application and to how to follow a proper plan regarding this exam. So now, first and foremost thing, guys, you people might be wondering what are we actually discussing in this particular session. Here I will be discussing about what actually NDA examination is all about. Then I will discuss about the important dates that you have to remember, the vacancies that are there in the NDA NA. That means this is not only for a National Defense Academy. This exam is also eligible for the Naval Academy, Indian Naval Academy, as a 10+2 entries. So the vacancies regarding that. Then I will discuss to you about the date of birth so that you can make sure you are eligible for this exam, and the educational qualification that you must have, the exam scheme and the syllabus of this particular exam. All these things I will discuss in this particular session. So make sure that you are staying with me since the end and thereafter, so that you can make the complete understanding of the exam in a much more shorter, crisp, brief and understandable format. Starting off regarding NDA, actually National Defense Academy Naval Academy exam, this is a national level exam. It is organized twice a year by UPSC, by the Union Public Service Commission. Every year UPSC conducts this exam twice a year, except for the year of 2020, because at that time our country was going through the pandemic. Only one NDA was conducted during that year. But now, since the situations are all going on and vaccines are available to all of us, UPSC has decided to conduct both the examination. So NDA, the second phase of NDA NA 2 2021 is going to be conducted in the month of September on 5th. Okay, so UPSC is going to recruit the candidates in Army, Navy and Air Force. So UPSC is the whole and sole body regarding the preparation of the question paper and this conduct of this particular examination. Thereafter, the candidates, whoever are selected regarding this, they will be handed over towards the respective services selection boards of Army, Navy and Air Force. That I will discuss in the upcoming ones. So this, by going through this particular examination, by writing this, the 10+2 young chap these young chaps can become permanently commissioned officers through this particular entry. So this is an offline mode examination. That means it is not an online exam unlike AFCAT or INET. This is a pen and paper examination. You will be allotted some exam centers. You should go to that exam center, and there are two papers regarding that. I will discuss about the exam scheme also. So this is a written examination. So this notification is regarding the 148th course of the National Defence Academy and 110th course of the Indian Naval Academy. Right, guys? So let us understand about first and foremost thing, what days you must remember. Please note this information down as much as possible. So these are the important days that you have to compulsorily understand and remember. Okay, you can even mark these things as an alarm in your mobile phones also, if in case you want to do all of these important issues. So the starting date of applying for this particular exam is on 9th of June 2021. That means from today. Okay, so from today you can apply for this NDA NA 2021 examination, and the last date for applying for this exam is 29th of June 2021 until 6 p.m. That means until 6 p.m. of 29th of June the applications for this examination will be open in the UPSC website, but after that time you will not have any particular link regarding this and you cannot apply. So make sure that you apply for this particular exam. If in case you are eligible, please do apply as soon as possible before 29th of June only. And you can also withdraw your applications if in case you are not interested. The withdrawal of the applications will happen from 6th to 12th of July 2021, but I don't think most of the aspirants will do that. And you have to also pay for this examination, and admit card will be released 2 weeks before the examination. And the exam date, remember this date, exam is conducted on 5th of September 2021. Okay, so this is the exam date of NDA NA 2 2021. The results will be declared in the months of October or November 2021. To get through more details now regarding the exam pattern, how is the paper? This is actually, the whole exam is divided into two papers. Paper 1 will be conducted early morning at 10 o'clock and paper 2 will be conducted at afternoon at 12 o'clock. So to be more specific regarding this, the mathematics paper, the two papers are mathematics and general ability test. GAT has two parts, English and general knowledge. Going through with the mathematics part, there are 120 questions in the mathematics paper, and all of these 120 questions, the total number of marks for the maths paper is 300. So if you divide this 120 divided by 300, then you will get to understand that for each correct answer in the mathematics paper you will be awarded 2.5 marks. And there is also negative marking. There is 1/3 negative marking in every paper, so 1/3 of 2.5 is 0.83. okay, so 0.83 marks of 2.5 will be conducted. That means 0.83 marks are the negative marking for every incorrect answer. So remember, there is negative marking also. Make sure that you are not answering any particular question wrongly. And if you join SSB exams courses, then I'm pretty damn sure that you will be able to attempt most of the number of questions in correct format. Right, so there are 50 questions in English part and there are 100 questions. In total, GAT is of 150 questions. So GAT is one paper and mathematics is one paper. So mathematics paper you will attempt in the morning and GAT you will attempt in the afternoon. So each and every question in the GAT paper carries 4 marks. So taking that into consideration, English part is fully of around 200 marks and general knowledge consists of around 400 marks. So there is also a negative marking in the GAT paper also. For every incorrect answer in the GAT paper, you will be deducted 1.33 marks. So there is a variation in the allotment of the marks of each question regarding both the papers. Remember, I'm repeating it again. For every correct answer in the mathematics paper, you will be awarded 2.5 marks, and for every correct answer in the general ability test, you will be awarded 4 marks. And for every wrong answer you give in the mathematics paper, you will be deducted 0.83 marks. And for every wrong answer you give in the general ability test paper, you will be deducted 1.33 marks. Right? So the total examination is of 900 marks, and thereafter upcoming SSB is also of the 900 marks. But my focus is regarding the update of the examination. Regarding the other issues, I will be discussing in the upcoming sessions, and also stay tuned with SSB Crack exams. So each paper is of 2.5 hours. Okay, so you will be given 2.5 hours for each paper, and there are no marks for the unattempted questions. If you do not attempt any question, you will not be given any marks and you will not be deducted any marks. So there are no marks, and all are objective type questions only. Remember that point. And except English section, all other questions are set bilingually in Hindi and English. That means the part of mathematics and general knowledge, only these two questions, all of these 100 questions in the GK paper and all of these 120 questions in the mathematics paper, these 120 and 100, these questions are set bilingually bilingually. Questions are asked both in Hindi and English, but only the English part, only this 50 questions, the part A of the GAT, General Ability Test, only that 50 questions will be asked only in English. But other than that, the rest are all asked both in bilingual format. And going through in detail regarding the vacancies, how many vacancies are there, and that was the exam pattern, guys. And if you want to have a proper understanding about what type of questions will come and the complete understanding of the paper and how to prepare, what to prepare, and how much time you have to spend regarding that, you can please join SSB Crack Exams NDA 2021-22 online course. We will personally guide you on regarding that. So there are vacancies also mentioned in the notification. And National Defense Academy is a premier institution that trains the cadets all for Army, Navy and Air Force. Depending upon the availability and depending upon the vacancies, candidates and their mark systems also, they will be shortlisted regarding these vacancies. So there are 208 vacancies in the Army wing of NDA, 42 vacancies in the Naval wing of NDA, and 120 vacancies in the Air wing of NDA. And regarding the Naval Academy's 10+2 cadet entry scheme, there are 30 vacancies. On the whole, there are 400 vacancies. Every year, more than 2 lakh candidates apply for NDA examination, and from them only 400 will be able to make up to the last step and get into the training regime of the NDA and NA. That means you must understand the competition is pretty tough, but it is not impossible. Remember that important point also. So one more important thing, what is the age, sir? Most of the candidates have a doubt regarding the age and eligibility. Remember, only unmarried male candidates, only males are eligible. So these who are not born earlier than 2nd of January 2003 and not later than 1st of January 2006 are eligible. That means, very simply, whatever your date of birth is, if it is in between 2nd of January 2003 and 1st of January 2006, if it is in between that, then you are eligible for this exam. Do not think about the age, 16.5, 19.5 years and all. Forget about the age. Remember the date of birth only, because the UPSC strictly follows the date format, and that is the reason why we are giving you only the dates. Follow the dates and this is more than enough. If your date falls in this, including these dates, only then you are eligible. If in case your date does not fall in this format, then you are absolutely not eligible. Remember that important point also. Going through regarding the educational qualifications, for the Army wing of NDA, you just have to have a 10+2 or an equivalent certificate. Okay, that means 10+2 or intermediate certificate. If you have whatever certificate you have, you are eligible. But for the other wings, for the Naval wing of NDA, for Air wing of NDA, and for the Naval Academy 10+20 scheme, it is compulsory that you have your 10+2 and you must have subjects of physics, chemistry and mathematics as your mainstream subjects. Remember this main point also. So who are eligible, who are appearing in the 12th class, remember, who are appearing in the 12th class under the 10+2 pattern, or who have completed, that means who are studying the 12th class or equivalent, or those who have completed the 12th class or equivalent, only they are eligible. 11th class candidates, if your age is coming in this, you can write this exam, but you will be not allowed to attempt for the SSB interviews further, because you will not be able to produce the certificates. As simple as that, right? So you might be asking, sir, what is the syllabus of this examination? So regarding the English section of the syllabus of the examination, if I have to tell you, this is regarding the GAT section, guys. The English section, if you have to understand, the important topics of the English section include spotting of errors, antonyms, synonyms, vocabulary, that means which includes idioms and phrases, sentence improvement, sentence completion of the fill in the blanks, sentence completion close test, ordering of the words, ordering of sentences, and comprehension. Going through regarding the general knowledge section, the part B of the GAT paper, this includes the questions coming from physics, chemistry, biology, geography, history, Indian polity, economics, current affairs and strategic, and the questions related towards the defense specific issues. The paper 1 regarding the mathematics section, the topics will be coming from, the questions will be covered, those 120, they might be asked as a culmination of these topics, which include algebra, matrices and determinants, trigonometry, analytical geometry of 2 and 3 dimensions, differential calculus, integral calculus and differential equations, vector algebra, statistics and probability. So these are those important ones that you have to understand. So what is the selection procedure? After written examination, after you write this exam, the results will be declared in the month of August and November. And once your roll number or name is mentioned in the result, that means you will be soon sent a call letter to choose the SSB dates. Once you choose the SSB dates, you will be going through with the SSB interview. SSB interview is a 2-stage selection procedure. And once you get selected in this NDA 2 2021 examination, once you qualify this, you have to again continuously take the OER and PPDT course. Already qualified NDA 1 2021. Do not waste time and get through with us and join and subscribe in the OER and PPDT course already launched by SSB Crack Exams. So you will be going through with the SSB interview after your examination. Once you are recommended in the SSB interview after both the stages, you will be sent through a medical test, which is a very rigorous and keen medical test. After the medical board recommends you as fit and you are medically fit, you are declared by that, then they will check about the complete document verification. In detail, they will check A to Z regarding the whole of the documents that you have. And once all the documents are verified, thereafter you will have to wait for the merit list. And once your name is appearing in the merit list, and you will be given an All India rank, and thereafter you will be officially set to go and join in the NDA and Naval Academy's courses. So that's all for this particular session, guys. Remember, all the best for this upcoming examination. Please do join us, guys, because it is very important. We are working very hard 24/7 to make sure to see you guys as officers in the upcoming days. And it is something that both you and we dream at the same time. Do not forget to complete the submission of your application before 29th of June 2021. Please do finish your application before 29th of June 2021 evening 6 o'clock. And as soon as you finish this live session, make sure that you also watch the how to apply for this examination session also, to get a proper understanding on how to apply for this particular examination. And thereafter finish your application today itself as soon as possible, so that you can stay safe and on the safer side. So that's all for this session, guys. Please do choose from our courses if in case you are a very keen and a serious defense aspirant who is really into the defense armed forces, and you want to become an army, navy or air force officer, and you want to become a permanent officer, and if you're a 10+2 candidate, please do subscribe to NDA exam online course and join with the beautiful family. We are always working. You can also go through with the test series. SSB Crack Exams has already launched the NDA 2021-22 mock test series, which are the game changers. In that, we have included every particular question is handpicked. Even the previous year questions are also covered. You do not have to again go through with some other areas to cover up the PYQs. PYQs are also covered in these mock tests along with that. So 30% of the mock tests are the PYQs, and the remaining 70 to 75% is a culmination of hand-picked new questions, wherein which the appearance of those questions might be is very high in the upcoming NDA 2021. So also do make sure that you take the combination of both NDA exam original course and also the test series course. You can use the code Warrior10 to get an extra 10% discount on all of our courses. So that's all for this session, guys. If you are really interested with this, and if you want to make sure that some amount of discipline, some amount of coordination, proper amount of study plan, analysis, understanding, if you really want to have a change in your lifestyle, and if you really want to make sure that you want to make a change in the way you live, and you want to become the officers in the armed forces in the future by joining NDA and NA, please do join us, because we are very serious regarding you getting selected. So that's all for this session, guys. All the very best. Stay safe. Always stay tuned. Follow all the COVID safety related norms and regulations. I always wish you all the very best. Keep smiling. Be confident. Jai Hind.